Tired of mystery meat in your dog's bowl? Let's unlock the secret to a healthier, happier pup with some amazing homemade chow. First, it's all about the building blocks. We're talking lean protein acircumflex euros. Think boiled chicken breast, turkey, or lean ground beef acircumflex euros. For strong muscles then, we add complex carbohydrates like cooked brown rice or sweet potatoes for energy. Don't forget those essential vitamins and minerals. Cooked, plain vegetables like carrots, green beans, and broccoli are fantastic. Just avoid onions, garlic, and grapes, as they can be toxic for dogs. Step 1. Prepare your protein. Boil your lean meat thoroughly until cooked through. Then shred or dice it into small, manageable pieces. Step 2. Cook your starches and veggies. Boil or steam your sweet potatoes and vegetables until tender once cooked. You can roughly chop the vegetables or even lightly mash them for easier digestion, depending on your dog's preference. Now for assembly. Combine your prepared protein, cooked grains, and vegetables in a large mixing bowl. Aim for a balanced ratio. A good starting point is 50% protein, 25% carbohydrates, and 25% vegetables. You want to ensure all those vital nutrients are accounted for to create a complete and balanced meal. Portion control is key for maintaining a healthy weight. Consult your veterinarian for the ideal daily calorie intake for your specific dog. Considering their breed, age, activity level, and any health conditions, a general guideline is to feed about 23% of your dog's ideal body weight per day, split into 2 meals. Safety first. Always cool the food completely before serving it to your dog. Store any leftovers in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze individual portions for longer storage. Always wash your hands and any surfaces that come into contact with the raw ingredients thoroughly. By making your dog's food yourself, you're taking control of their health and well-being, one delicious, nutritious bite at a time. Happy tails and healthy tummies ahead.